Salute the YoungStar.
If you base your followers as your customers, this is where they use the 10% rule. So I'm learning from a scale of 1,000 followers. If you have a product, i.e. drum kit, and again, majority of your followers are producers, musicians, I'm selling a drum kit. Let's say $20. $20 in pounds is £12 or something, but we always use the dollars because that's how it is. But anyway, cool. $20, and I've got 1,000 followers. 10% of that is 100 people. I want at least
2,000.
I want at least 100 people to buy my £20 product. And with that 10% scale, that's what you round it off. But if you aim for half of the 10%, which is 5, so 50 to 100, that's where your jackpot is. But if you